Now in this question, it is given in triangle ABC, altitudes AD and BE are drawn to the corresponding basis. If angle BAC is equal to 45 degree and angle ABC equal to theta, then AD by BE equals to what is the question. So I'm going to take this triangle as ABC and I'm going to draw altitudes AD and BE, so which makes angle 90 degree with the base. And angle BAC is 45, so this will be 45 degree, and angle ABC is what? Theta. Now in triangle ABE, sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now I have one of the angle as what? BAE is equal to a 45 degree, and we know that angle BEA is 90. That makes the other angle to be what? The other angle has to be 45 to make the total angles 180 degree. That means AE will be equal to BE in length. So I'm going to take the length of the sides as x. So if AE equal to BE equal to x, so I can take this as x and this as x, then AB becomes the hypotenuse that can be found using Pythagoras theorem. AB is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides, and I have to take the root of the resultant, and that is going to be what? A 2x square the whole root, which will be root 2x. So that will become the hypotenuse. So this will be root 2x. Now in triangle ABD, I know that angle ABC is theta. That means angle ABD will also become theta. Angle ABD will also be theta, same inclination. Now from this I can write sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So AB AD by AB. Now just now we found the value of AB. AB is equal to root 2x. Now what is taken as x? We have taken AE equal to BE as x, and we need the value of AD by BE, so I am going to put BE in the place of x. So that gives me AD by BE to be equal to root 2 sin theta, which is option D for this question.